Using an eBay gift card is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To get started, first make sure you have a valid eBay gift card with a balance on it. You can check the balance of your gift card by visiting the eBay website and clicking on the gift card link at the bottom of the page. Next, find the item you want to purchase on eBay by using the search bar at the top of the page. Once you have found the item, click on it to go to the item details page. On this page, you will see a button that says Buy It Now or Add to Cart. Depending on the type of listing, to use your gift card, click on the Add to Cart button and then proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, you will see a section that says Apply a gift card. Click on this link and enter the gift card number and PIN, which can be found on the back of the card or in the email you received when the card was purchased. After entering the gift card information, click Apply to add the gift card balance to your purchase. The gift card balance will be applied to the total cost of the item, and you will only be charged for any remaining balance due. For example, if the item costs $100 and you have a $50 gift card, you will only be charged $50. It is also important to note that eBay gift cards can only be used on eBay and cannot be redeemed for cash or used on other websites. Additionally, gift cards do not expire, but it is still a good idea to use them as soon as possible to avoid losing the card or forgetting about the balance. By following these simple steps, you can easily use an eBay gift card to purchase the items you want on the site. Remember to always keep your gift card information secure and only use it on the official eBay website to avoid any potential scams or issues.